How to block videos on YouTube Kids. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block specific videos or entire channels in the YouTube Kids application on iOS and Android devices. This step-by-step guide helps you manage your child's viewing experience by restricting unwanted content. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and log into your YouTube Kids application. And once you do so, you will be redirected to the homepage. Now, if you wish to block any specific video, you gotta click on the search bar and you gotta search for any video that you want over here. So once you find the specific video, all you need to do is simply click on these three dots over here that is next to the video. Once you click on these three dots, you'll be able to see three options: download video, block this video, and cancel. So you're gonna head over, click on block this video. And then you'll be asked to solve a simple maths problem or type down your passcode. So you're going to type down your passcode, and once you do so, it would say video blocked. So that is basically how you can block videos on YouTube Kids. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.